How to delete all chat on WhatsApp on both sides. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the chat where you want to delete message from both sides. After you click on the chat, you will find the message. Simply hold on to the message and you'll find a trash bin option at the top. Click on the trash bin option at the top and then you'll find these options. Make sure you click on delete for everyone. After you click on delete for everyone, it will be deleted from both sides. No one will be able to view the message. And this is how to delete all chat on WhatsApp on both sides. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.